So guys, I've only gone and done it, and I've only gone and pressed the button to get the Mavic 4 Pro, but I've got the Mavic 4 Pro combo because I've only got the drone. I've got the batteries, I've got the charger, I've got everything. It's called the Combo Creator, and I've got the controller as well with a 7-inch screen. Now, I did a video about a month ago saying I'm not going to buy this drone just yet. Well, obviously that didn't take long, and the whole idea of that was I wanted to just buy the drone really, because it's, end of the day, it's a lot of money just for a hobbyist, just for a retired bloke. When I looked at it, if I did want to buy just a drone, I would have had to got the RC2. I didn't want to buy another RC2 because I got one. I'm not particularly a lover of the RC2. So after seeing some more videos about this controller, I thought, sod it, get the whole lot. Because one of the lessons I did learn, when I bought the Air 3, I just bought the drone and I bought the RCN2 controller. And what I found, I did need an extra battery. And by getting an extra battery, I had to get a charger, and then adding it all up, it would have been cheaper if I'd just gone in and bought the whole lot, the combo. But anyway, I didn't. But I thought this time, and I'm so glad I did, because I can tell you what, guys, these batteries, 51 minutes of flight time, eh? I don't think so. I was lucky if I'm getting about 30 to 45 minutes of flight time. Obviously, when you're flying something this big, you want to get to where you want to film it from. So you are using your sports mode quite a bit. So yeah, that's probably why you're burning the power down. But 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm glad I didn't just get the drone by itself, because I would have needed 2 batteries and then the charge. So guys, it is a lot of money. And it's something I had been thinking about, because when they brought out the Mavic 3 Pro, wasn't interested at all. I got my Air 3, it's a fantastic drone, but it did need an upgrade. So this time I've gone for the big upgrade. But God, it's amazing. I'm not going to tell you the spec, guys. There's enough videos out there, or you can go online and you can find all the spec. What I will say, it's heavy. And when you open it up, it's massive, bigger than I thought. Heavy, it's, you know, it is. I'm glad I got this, because you got the case to come with it. You do need some sort of case for it anyway. Another thing I was going to remind you of, got internal storage of 512 gig, I believe, which to me, that's loads. So I'm not even bothering with a SD card. 512, I'm never going to use any of that. The most I ever use when I go out, now, and I start filming in 4K 60 now, it's probably about 30 gig. The other good thing about this, you can plug it straight into your computer. You ain't got to turn on the drone, plug it straight in, and it downloads in seconds. Going on to the controller, what I will suggest, because if you know me, I do a lot of tutorial stuff. I do a lot of stuff doing the screen saving. So you need an external SD card, which I've got in there already. So that is an extra. You can do it the other way, got it, but it's so easy just by taking out the SD card and taking it off that way. The other thing is you can use your mic. Now, I got a mini mic. It wasn't as simple as they say it was. When I was watching the video, he said, yeah, you just Bluetooth it, or you bind it into the machine, which, yeah, that's simple. What they forget to tell you, in the settings, you have to make sure you turn on the audio for your screen save. That took a while for me to sort out, because the only annoying thing is that when you're doing a screen save, it doesn't tell you that the mic's on. Even though you can look at your mic on air, you've got a blue solid light, you know that's connected, but it's just to make things helpful, DJI. But when I bought out the video for the DJI Flip on that first day, like today, I said I didn't like it. Well, I can safely say, I love this drone. DJI, you really pulled your pants out on this one. This is my best drone I've ever had. Even with the Mini 5 Pro coming out very soon, this will still beat that. But be paying for it, so can't moan at that. Another thing I will say, you're going to definitely need a neck strap for this, guys. This is heavy. Lot heavy. I think it's about twice the weight of the RC2. It's heavy. Another thing I will say as well, the pins. If you got thinking about using the pins from your RC2, they won't fit in it. These will take smaller pins, and from what I can see, I mean, I've already sent away for it. It's like an aluminium bracelet that goes along here. Hopefully I'll get out in a couple of weeks' time, but you do need a neck strap. This is heavy. You won't want to be carrying around this for too long. Obviously, you can tell by the footage and that zoom. That's amazing as well. Another thing I've got to say about DJI is their delivery service is amazing. I was looking on DJI Thursday afternoon, humming and ahhing, and I went, well, go for it. So I bought the whole package Thursday afternoon. They obviously send you the details there, blah, blah, blah. You bought it. And it was coming by DHL. It was in Italy. And it went from Italy to Alicante in Spain it arrived at Alicante. This is what I love about DHL. You can follow it. It arrived at Alicante 11 o'clock Friday morning. I got this about 4 p.m. It was there. So I got it all registered. I went straight out with my mate Steve. Blown away. It's just nuts. Anyway, you can safely say I will be doing a few videos on the Mavic 4 Pro. I think what I have noticed is they don't say a lot. They say all about the spec. I don't want to know about the spec. I want to know what it can do. So I'll be doing videos on when we're going out, zooming in on things. I'll tell you what, that zoom is amazing. You ain't even got to have your drone out too far if you want to focus in on something. It's just, yeah, it's just amazing. Anyway, this is hopefully not too long a video, other than me keep saying, this drone's amazing. I think I'll finish it now. Yeah, so you can safely say there's going to be loads of videos, but obviously I won't be forgetting about all the other little drones that I'll be doing. Now, obviously at the moment, my Mini 4 Pro is it's in the workshop, so I'll have to be doing a lot more work on my Mini 3 Pro. I might even get out the old Mini 2, still a fantastic drone. Obviously, don't forget FPV Friday. But anyway, as always, guys, there's going to be another video coming very sooner. So hopefully you'll be able to hear me. So I've got my screen save on. I'm just going to send up the drone. Okay. And we're just checking for our little seagull friends because they do tend to hang about out here. I got it on normal. Right, I'm just going to bring the drone around because there's a nice little cove there. Okay. There it is. Now we're just coming into the cove. Alright. It's a lovely hot day. I think it's 32 at the moment, so this is another good thing about testing the drone capability in the hot weather. So I'm just going to check in this cove here. We got it's just on 1 times at the moment. I'm going to put on, no, not yet. I'm just going to put on to 6 times zoom. So this is the beach. We got people on the beach there. I think the main thing of this beach is these caves there. If you can just see them now. These have been dug into the cliffside there. I'm just going to put on the video now. So we got it on 6 times. If I put it on to 12, you can see those people more clearly now. Now there's a lot of birds there, but hopefully it might be just a bit too hot for them, even though I can just see some of them now. Now I don't think they're going to bother the drone because there's some people out on the water there. Right, I haven't got it on video, I've just noticed that. So this is normal. And if I put it on to 6, got the video on now. And if I put it on to 12, there's somebody here on the... This seems to be the big thing here in Spain now, the balding thing.